Hi guys, today I going to teach you that how to do thumb around right this way. Okay guys, this way how to do the thumb around. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Okay guys, of pen spinning. Okay, so let's begin. Okay guys, this is a very easy way to spin a pen like this way. This is a very easy way. I teach you now only in this video. Means I can't teach you I teach you, but you have to practice also that so many times. You have to practice of thumb around. Then only you can do it. In one day you can't do it thumb around. For 1 or 2 weeks you have to practice day and night, then only you can do it. Okay guys, and this is very easy, not so hard also. Okay, so let's begin. I teach you now. Okay guys, first take a one balance pen, means take that way pen which can balance in your finger easily. Okay guys, balance in pen means balance. Okay, take a proper balance pen. In both side there are same balance and same weight. Okay, then only you can do thumb around properly. Okay guys, like this way. Okay, so first tip is that you have to take one proper pen of like this, or one straight pen, not this way that here is more weight from here is low weight, here is more weight. Okay, both weight have to be equal. Okay guys, take a proper pen. Okay, then only you can do thumb around easily. Okay guys, so I teach you in let's go in second step. Okay guys, now guys, second tip is that you have to position your position. How is your position? Okay, you have to take your pen and this is your position of thumb around pen spinning. Okay, you have to see, you can see guys, this way you have to catch your pen when you have to do the thumb around like this way. Okay guys, this way. Okay, very nice. I can show you from up. Oh, sometime it fall down. Okay guys, this way. Okay, very nice, like this way only. But this is your position. Look it carefully guys and catch this way. Okay, now let's begin to another tip. Now guys, after catching that way you have to push it. Okay, wait, I see you. This finger, okay guys, middle finger. Okay, you have to take your middle finger and push it here. Okay guys, push it here. Okay, now I see you how it look. Okay guys, this will go like this. I do it again. Okay, that why you have to push your middle finger first. Okay guys, put your middle finger first and just push it. Okay guys, just practice it, means 3 or 4 times. Just do like this only. Okay guys, okay, you also have to do like this. Okay guys, so let's begin in another. Okay guys, now after pushing middle finger like this, you can see that pen is going like this. Okay guys, pen is going like this slowly. Okay, then when your pen come here, here. Okay, here in this point, I show you properly here. Okay guys, when your pen come here, rotate from here to here. Okay guys, here. Wait, I show you in slow motion. Look guys, wait, and then here my pen come here and I just click it with my both finger. I touch it. Okay guys, and my pen make it. Okay, now let's see. Okay, and there we go. So you have to first position, second push your middle finger, third catch with your this finger, and look guys, it is like this way. I know guys, I hope some help you get from this tutorial video. If you get something help, then please like, share and subscribe to this video. And if you want more tutorial video, then say me in comment which tutorial you want. Okay guys, so we will meet in next video. Bye bye, tata, goodbye. Let's we go. Oh, means bye bye, goodbye.